Hello, this is me Santosh. I am senior hairstylist in Kaumudy Naturals. So I'm going to suggest a creative U-cut, and I'll have like a layer trim straight cuts. So whichever suit for her hair, we'll do that same cut. So I'm going to suggest with her whichever she wanted to do, and we are going to be suggest the same as well for her. Actually, ma'am, this is your straight haircut, so it won't be visible nicely layer. So we are going to be like a feather cut. Whichever suit your face is very good. Excuse me, ma'am. Shall we go for hair wash first? Then we can go for your haircut. Actually, this is your color hair. So we are prepared to color shampoo. It's a brand of L'Oreal. We are using L'Oreal shampoo and L'Oreal mask on the all Naturals brands. So I'm going to suggest you a L'Oreal's color hair shampoo and color conditioner. It's best for your hair. This is color protection mask. So we are prepared for coloring hair color protection mask. It's best to long lasting and longer protection for your hair dryness and color fadedness. So after application we can keep on hair 3 minutes. After that we'll wash again.